Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm just gonna show y'all some quick and easy super cute hairstyles that I do in under 5 minutes. So if you would like to see what I'm about to do, then keep on watching. So for this first hairstyle, it's just gonna be half up and half down. And yeah, I don't think I really have to explain that much what you should be doing. But for half up half down, literally I pull the hair up that starts by my ears and I gather that all towards the back of my head. Now some people like this ponytail to be higher, but I like this ponytail to be a little bit lower, because that's just the look that I was going for that day. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull that towards the back of my head, and then as you can see I left out two face framing pieces because personally I just think that looks better on my face shape rather than pulling everything back. But yeah, that's what I like. And in a second I'm gonna show you how it turned out. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch the rest. Alrighty, for this next hairstyle, I am just going to be pulling my hair all the way back and giving myself a high ponytail. And I'm still keeping my two little face framing pieces out because like I said, I feel like that makes me look better than just slicking it all back. But yeah, and as you can see, I took out my little like baby hairs on the side because I just like how that looks. And yeah, that's hairstyle number 2 for y'all. I'm just gonna let you watch the rest, so enjoy. Okie dokie. So for this hairstyle, I'm just literally taking the ponytail from the last hairstyle and twisting it around itself so that I can make a high bun. And yeah, this was super quick, like literally less than a minute to do. And again, I have my face framing pieces out because that's what I like. And you know, you can do what you do, but that's just what I do. So hey, but yeah, I'm gonna let you watch the rest, so I'll see you in a little. Okay, so for this hairstyle, it's a low ponytail, so I'm gonna take my hair out of this bun and I'm going to give myself a middle part first, and then after I give my middle part, I'm gonna part it towards whichever side you prefer. And we're gonna take that, as you can see right there, see me parting it? Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna part it like that, and I'm gonna switch it over to the side so that it gives me like a the look of like a little 90s swoop bang, you know what I'm saying? But it's gonna be a low ponytail, so I'm gonna, after I secure everything in its right position, I'm gonna put it back in a low ponytail. And you know me, I'm leaving out little baby hairs so that it looks cuter. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you watch the rest. But see ya. my last hairstyle for today's video. This is just a middle parted low bun. And again, I'm gonna have my face framing pieces out because that is just what I prefer. But yeah, that's it for these easy hairstyles that you can do in under 5 minutes. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to the family because we love to see that. And if you want to follow me on social media, they will be in the description box below. So if you go ahead and check that out if you are curious. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.